What is going on, guys? In this one, we're taking a look at usertesting.com and how you can make some extra cash taking online surveys and testing websites. So hang around, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and we'll be right back. Hey guys, Art here off the Dome Media Group. This video was a follow-up to one I made a few months back about my top 3 secret money-making online survey sites. If you haven't seen it and you're looking to make some extra cash, check it out. I'll put a link up here or in the description below. In this one, we're taking a look at usertesting.com. I'm going to show you how long I've been on board, how much I've gotten paid, and I'm going to show you the deposits made to my PayPal account. So with that, let's jump right into the computer.
Hey guys, all right, we are here. We are back. We are at the computer, and I want to talk about usertesting.com. I did a video a while back on focus groups and online surveys and things of that nature that I personally use and can vouch for with respect to getting paid. And so this is one of my go-to sites lately. I'm pretty active on it when I have time. So anyway, let's jump right in. So that the site is usertesting.com. Okay, and as it says, you can earn up to $60 per test. Number one, visit a website and app, complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, which seems kind of weird at first, but you get used to it. If you can vlog, or if you're thinking about vlogging, it's not a big deal, and then get paid. You enter your email address and sign up. It's really that easy. It's pretty straightforward. It's the only way you can check out the site. It is, they have some really good, companies that have done reviews on them, and that companies that work with them. And they are everywhere. They're in the United States and Canada, Africa, Middle East, India, Asia Pacific, Europe, Latin America, and Caribbean. So, but anyway, it's pretty straightforward. What you do is you register. They send you an email. Okay, so now I'm going to go to my site. So now I'm already signed in. So once you register, what's going to happen? And what's going to happen is that they'll send you a link, and you complete a profile. So now the number of tests that you get is determined based on the profile that you fit with respect to the surveys or the apps or the website reviews that are available at the time. Let me say up front, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You have to go through quite a lot of screeners. As you see, it says take screener, and I'll explain that in a second. But you have to go through quite a few screeners to actually get a test, because they want to make sure that you fit the profile for the person that they're looking for to review the website, the app, or whatever it may be. They may actually ask you to sign in and do some things with your app or with your account, and it's up to you if you want to do it. But my point is that some of the tests actually require you to do what you can say you do or can do above and beyond doing the app review or the website review. It's nothing difficult, but I'm just saying the bottom line is if you can't adhere to the instructions that are given in there, pretty specific. As it says, our customers often require specific participants for their test. You need to answer some questions to verify that you are a good match. Don't worry if you don't qualify. We have many more tests for you to try, and that is true. So anyway, let's just jump right in. So these are available tests that are here right now. Okay, and I'm going to show you some of my completed tests just to give you an idea. But anyway, basically what happens is when you initially start, I will start with the completed tests. So we're at completed tests right now. We'll go all the way down to here. As you see, I completed my first test November 13, 2018. And I completed it, and I was paid $10. Now, this was a 5-star review on this particular one. Your goal is to maintain a 5-star review. Now, this was a test from user testing. They send you a sample test. Now, it's a real test that you do to get paid, that you'll get paid, but they review it themselves before they send it to their client. and they make sure that you're able to do what you say you're going to do, and they give you some tips and some hints. And so this was the first one. Again, this was back in November. As you can see, overall great job on your first test. For future tests, please ensure that you're not in full screen mode because it covers up the recorder. Navigating back and forth between the task and the test websites interrupts the natural flow of testing, which may not allow you to give the best possible feedback to the customer. To exit full screen mode, use the keyboard, yada, yada, yada. Basically, they were giving me hints and tips as to make it a better experience for their client, which is a company. How to do the test, how to maintain a rating, and so forth. They also have they have a help center. Let me go to that, and then I'll come back. And they'll teach you how to be a 5-star tester, because you want to maintain that rating. So they have different lessons that you can start, and you go through, and they actually show you how to be a 5-star tester, what to do, and so forth. It's a set of slides and so forth that you can go through. Then they also have something here, handling problems with testing, because it does happen. Sometimes the sites don't work, the apps don't work, whatever the case may be. There's no need to freak out. There are options available and so forth. So anyway, we'll go back to complete the test really quick. And so anyway, I started in November, okay? And this was the test, test, if you will. And since November, I guess I'll say I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So, okay, I lost count. But anyway, I've done quite a few tests, as you see, since November 13th. And my last test that I did was actually February 20th. And you see, I was paid $10 for each test. Now, the site said that you can get paid up to $60. Now, what that is about is basically they have live chats where they will you'll pre-schedule a date and a time to actually jump on a conference call, if you will, through a Zoom app that you'll download on your phone. You go to a website, you'll do your research and so forth, but you actually communicate with the researchers live in real time. There are some that are $30 that last 30 minutes, and then there are some that are $60 that last 60 minutes. Okay? You'll see those as they become available, and I think I saw one here. Let's go back to available test again. No, there was not one, but you'll see it. It'll say $30 or $60 and so forth. But jumping back to the completed test, basically, if you click the details, it'll show you what that particular test was about, the URL, the scenario. Please take the following survey. Task. When done with the survey, please click next, and so forth. Okay? So anyway, my point to doing this video is that this is a great option for someone to augment your income. You can make a couple of dollars doing this. It does require diligence with respect to you have to get in here. You have to take the test. You may see 15 or 20 screeners in here for a test, but that doesn't mean that you're going to get them all. So it's a numbers game. It is a numbers game. But as you see, they do pay. So now here's the other side. The next question, you may say, well, how often do you get paid? Well, this particular test right here, November 21st, 2018 at 12:43, that's Pacific Standard Time. I'm in Central Time. I'm in Chicago. So that's actually 2:43 p.m. Chicago time. Well, basically what happens is this, is that you will get paid exactly to the second 7 days following the completion of that particular survey, period. And it's like clockwork. So now my question initially was, okay, on some days, like this particular day, I have good days and I have bad days. This particular day, I landed 3 on November 21st. 12:43, 1:35, which is 1:35 in the morning, and then 4:15. So I landed 3. So your question may be, well, how does that work? Will I get paid all 3 on the first time? No. What happens is, again, exactly 7 days to the second that you completed the survey, you will get paid. So I got paid November 21st, 2:43 my time, because I'm in, again, Chicago. This is Pacific. So 2:43 my time, I got paid this $10. It was deposited to my PayPal account. On the 21st at 1:35 a.m., I got paid. So each time, if you do 15 of them in one day over the course of 3 hours, each time you complete it, you will get paid that $10. Okay. So anyway, that is pretty much all I want to talk about with regards to this. I highly suggest you signing up. There are plenty of surveys to go around. And let me say this, with regard to the 5-star survey, everything that you do, you want to make sure you speak out loud. You want to talk clearly. And that means, okay, they ask you questions. Don't just sit there. Don't look at the screen. So, okay, for example, if I was doing a survey on user testing site, okay, the site is pretty basic. It's blue and white. It's not difficult on the eyes. The fonts may be kind of small for some people that require corrective visions, lenses, and so forth. But overall, the colors are clean and so forth. You want to be very descriptive and very verbal with your descriptions about the site. What I wanted to talk about is my first rating was a 5-star rating. As you see, I got paid, but they didn't rate all of these tests from November 21st through January 28th was when I got my next rating. Now, after the first one, you'll be rated by the customers themselves or companies. So I got a 5-star here. I got another 5-star here. Okay. This company actually gave a comment, honest and detailed feedback. So anyway, that's pretty much it. I don't want to beat a dead horse on this. Go to the site. I'll link in the description below, and I'll put a link up in the cards for the previous video if you did not see the previous video with respect to the other sites that I deal with as far as making money doing surveys and focus groups and things of that nature. But user testing is legit. They do pay. It is a little bit of work. It's not difficult work. It just, if you don't have anything to do, turn off Netflix for 3 or 4 minutes or 10 minutes. Go to the site, see what's available, click through, take some screeners, and you may make $10 for about 15 or 20 minutes. You can leave it signed in, leave your volume up on your speakers while you're doing other things. You'll get an alert. It'll let you know. It chimes and it'll let you know that you have a test that is available. You can come to the computer if you have time, check it out, see if you qualify for it, and make you a quick $10. So anyway, that's it. That's all I have on this. Sorry if it went long or I belabored it, but this is definitely some information that I wanted to get out. It is legit. It is workable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share this with somebody that you may know that needs to make a couple of dollars here and there. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell so you get notifications when I drop new videos. Any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the descriptions below. Till next time, peace.